Everyone leaves a carbon footprint on this planet. Every aspect of human existence has an impact on our planet, from traveling to eating or even just breathing. Flying a distance of over 1,000 kilometers causes over 250 kgs of carbon emissions. Driving a car for over 100 kilometers emits 20 kgs. Using an average size fridge for a day causes 3 kgs of carbon emissions. Even charging a mobile phone emits 0.3 kgs of carbon emissions per charge. Around the world, governments, organizations, and individuals are doing their part to reduce their carbon footprint, but the importance given might not be enough. In the last few decades, with rapid growth and development, the damage caused to the environment and to the planet is devastating. We are all responsible for climate change and must take a stand and be part of the solution. In order to limit global warming to 2 degrees Celsius by 2050, the target for personal emissions is 1.5 tons per year. Today, the global average per capita carbon emission stands at 4.9 tons per year. Have you wondered what your carbon footprint is? Do you know how you can bring your footprint down? There are numerous ways. Common lifestyle changes like recycling waste, avoiding plastic, consuming eco-friendly products, reducing power consumption, and using renewable power sources are a good way to start. However, certain situations beyond your control still impact your carbon footprint. For instance, you cannot make your electricity consumption zero, even if you tried. How then do you make yourself a zero carbon footprint consumer or become carbon neutral to save our planet? Carbon offsets is the answer. Carbon offsetting lets you compensate for every ton of your carbon dioxide emissions by preventing the same amount of pollution from happening somewhere else in the world. It's like you are supporting green activities without having to directly partake in them. All you have to do is offset your carbon footprint by purchasing carbon offsets from a renewable generator, and by doing this, you ensure that renewable energy is generated on your behalf. We can help you offset your carbon footprint in 2 ways. 1. Through our Renewable Attribute Certificates, RACs, generated from a pool of renewable generators. Here, we arrange for the authentication, verification, validation, and certification of the projects and the carbon offsets through reputable independent third-party verifiers. We give you a certificate showing how many tons of carbon have been offset by you. 2. Through the arrangement of carbon offsets and renewable energy certificates, REC, from third-party providers from the Indian and international markets. Now, you too can be a part of the change. Reduce your carbon footprint, offset your impact on the environment, reduce the impact of climate change, and save the earth. Buy a certificate, offset your impact on the environment, and live a happier life on a cleaner and greener planet. Visit www.cleanergy.eco for more details.